Alexander Haugen came out here in 1987 and he started the Empire Polo Club. It's a vast area, it's over 78 acres, but this little tack room started as just like a hitching post. The beams that are right here still standing that are holding the entire restaurant up is how it started. And now, years later, it's just emerged into a restaurant and we have the patio areas. It's grown 20 years and it's just keep going. Nelson and Tito have been with us for quite a while. They enjoy using fresh ingredients and they're great at mixing and finding the right drink for the right person.
We've known each other about 15 years.
15 years.
It was actually my bar back. It was crazy.
Oh, it is a true story. He taught me how to be a bartender, and I actually became a better bartender than he ever expected.
Okay.
The staff has a lot to do with why we've been here for a long time. The staff, the people, the regulars that come in. It's definitely a cheers bar.
It's basically the snowbirds come in at certain times of the year and they're sitting with the locals. We have a bachelorette party that shows up at 9 o'clock in a night and they come through. At the same time, some polo players might be sitting or strategizing for the next day. So the Desert Bloom actually was inspired by last year's flower, like Super Bloom. A lot of times that's the way our drinks are inspired, is something, just because we use a lot of fresh ingredients and we kind of go to nature, it was definitely that point of inspiration.
So obviously I went with gin from all the botanicals and all the herbs that are in a gin. I went with some elderflower. I thought about using Tito's watermelon. So I just kind of put it all together and it came out really good. It's a good little cocktail.
I was surprised.
You got this on video, right? Him saying that one of my cocktails is good? All right, perfect. Yeah, perfect.
We absolutely look at what customers want and what our locals want and what the staff feels that this place needs, and it all comes together, and I think it's really come to what everybody's enjoyed.